Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for our morning maths class. So dear children, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what did we do yesterday? Do you remember? What was our topic for yesterday? Yeah, it was shapes. So today, let's do more about shapes. Let's revise what we did yesterday. Also, we are going to do more things about shapes. So I hope you are able to see my screen. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so in the previous class, we discussed about various shapes that we come across in our day-to-day life. Okay, so here, this is a triangle. What are the properties of triangle? A triangle has three sides, three angles, and three vertices. That means three corners. Okay. Next thing is over here, it has three angles, three vertices, three sides. Then square has four sides, and all the four sides of a square are equal. It has four angles also, and all the four angles are equal. And it has four vertices, and in singular form, we call it as a vertex. Okay, we call it as a vertex. Vertices in plural form and vertex in singular form, right? Okay, next thing is it has two diagonals and both of the diagonals are equal, means in the slanting way. And length of the diagonal, if I just bring this line out and show you, see, length of the diagonal is greater than the side. Beat any, length of the diagonals is greater than the side. Now this is a rectangle, it has four sides and opposite sides are equal. Four angles, all angles are equal. Four vertices, and in singular form we say it vertex or corner, we can say. Two diagonals, both are equal. And you know what is the difference between square and a rectangle? The major difference is in a square, all the sides are equal, and in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Only the opposite sides. Circle, what is circle? A circle is a figure formed by all points at an equal distance from the center. If this is the center, if from the center you will go to any point on the circle anywhere, you will get the same distance. It's at an equal distance. Now, these are some amazing activities for you. We will figure out, like I'll show you some basically the shapes, and you have to find out how many are these. Okay, you must have seen these kind of questions, and I'm sure you have got confused, like how many are these? Yesterday I asked you a similar question. So how many squares are there in this figure? First I want you to guess, first I want you to observe, and then I will tell you. I hope you have counted. Okay, let's see whether you are correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the visible squares. The squares that you can see, they are 9. Okay. Then the 10th one, the 11th one. Yesterday, I think I gave you the answer as 14. Let's see. We were able to figure out 14 squares yesterday, right? So let's see how many are there. So 9 were visibly, like clearly visible. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And we are missing one, which is the bigger one, in which all these small squares are fitted. So this is 1. That means 9 plus 4. 9 small, 4 big, and then 1 is the bigger one. 14 squares. Yeah. Next, how many squares and rectangles are there in this figure? Okay, so you have to find both the squares and rectangles. How many squares and rectangles are there? Squares you have to count separately and rectangles separately. So I hope you have figured out how many squares and rectangles are there. So if I talk about square, this is one square, this is another square. So there are two squares in this. One, two, one, two. Now rectangle, one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. So there are four rectangles and one big rectangle. So in short, we can say we got two squares and 4 plus 1, which is 5 rectangles. So that is about this figure. Okay, now consider another figure. How many squares and rectangles are there in this one? Squares and rectangles in this one. Look at it carefully. It has so many parts. So see what is the right answer. It's super easy. You just need to focus. That's it. I hope it's done. Okay, so let's see, dear children. And before I say anything, I would like to tell you we are live on YouTube. And the ones who are watching this, like the ones who will watch this later on, you can still answer in the comment box. If you need more time, you can pause the video and then answer. So kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Whenever the class starts or whenever there is an upcoming class, you can get an update. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, share it with your friends so that they can also take benefit from these morning maths classes. Okay, so over here, let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the visible squares that we can see. Squares that we can see clearly. 8 are these. Now, over here, we have, like, if we'll part it, if we will see it separately, this is one more, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. You can see with the red highlighted part. That is how we figured out 3 squares. Then this is first box, rectangle box, second rectangle, third rectangle, fourth rectangle, fifth rectangle, sixth rectangle. Then seventh rectangle, eighth, ninth, 10th. There are 10 rectangles. 2 box rectangles are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Right? Now, we have 6 rectangles box as well. 1, 2. Okay, and this is 8 rectangle box, which is 1. So over here, we can say that we have total of 44 Like total squares are 11 and rectangles are 6, 3, 1. That is 10. Yeah, I will write here 10 because we have 10 rectangles. Okay, perfect. Interesting question, wasn't it? Did we miss any of the rectangle? Can say yes, we missed. Okay, so here what I found is one more rectangle. Like if you see at this one, 1, 2, 3, 3-box rectangle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then this again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 more rectangles are being formed. Okay, 3-box rectangles. All right, so let's see the next one. This figure, how many triangles are there in this figure? Easy peasy, very easy. How many rectangles are there? Find out. All right, so here I can see that there are 1, 2, and the bigger one, 3 rectangles. 1, 2, 3. I repeat, 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles. I'm sorry, 3 triangles are there. 1, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles are there. Triangle has 3 sides, so there are 3 triangles in that. Now tell me about the triangles in this figure. How many triangles are there in this figure? How many triangles are in this figure? Got it? Look at the triangles carefully. Look at this figure carefully because there are some hidden triangles as well that you need to focus and check. Okay. So I hope it's done. Is it? Okay. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles that are visible. Then this one, 5. Then this one, 6. And the bigger one, 7. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are visible triangles. Then 5, making 2 triangles, 6, this one, then 7, the bigger one. So there are 7 triangles. 7 triangles in this figure. See, there were some hidden triangles that you need to see carefully. Okay, now we'll try another one. Okay, over here. Total number of triangles, 7. Now count the number of triangles in this. Count the number of triangles in this. So here I can see that there are, no, first you tell. I hope it's done or almost done. So here, let's see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 that we can see. Okay. These are the triangles that we can see. Now, 5. Okay. Fifth triangle we have seen. Then this is the, okay, any other triangle that we can see? 5 or how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 we can clearly see, and this is the fifth one that I can see. Any other triangle that you can see? I think 5. There are 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is fifth, making 2 triangles. Okay, wait. Did we do this one? This part, sixth one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. 6 triangles. Next one, count the number of triangles in this. So over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I'm telling you this? Because I can see this. Like, I'm sure you can also see these triangles only, but not the hidden ones. So we need to find the hidden ones. Okay, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 already seen, which are the, clearly visible ones. Then 5, the bigger one. The bigger one is 5. Okay, as of now, we found out 5 triangles. Then this one, the sixth one. This is the sixth one. Any other triangle that is visible? No, no, I don't see it. So we can say 6 triangles. If you get any more triangles, let me know in the comment section. Like if you will watch the video later on, and the ones who are watching right now, they can tell me right now. So as of now, we saw 6 triangles. Okay, so children, if you remember, like that's all for our today's class. But if you remember, Yeah, we will discuss about more figures in the upcoming class. But if you remember, we did shapes, like, as you know, we did shapes yesterday. But we also like we also did like the shapes that we see in our day-to-day life, right? I asked you to write 10 shapes, like 10 objects that looks like shape, in like the 10 real objects that look like particular shape, like triangle 10 objects, square 10 objects, rectangle 10 objects, and circle 10 objects. So let's discuss them. Okay, let's discuss them. I think yesterday we discussed about circle. Yeah. Okay, so over here, if I talk about square, let's talk about square. So what things look like square? What things look like square? Look around you and look at that. We see clock in square shape. Yes, we do. The chessboard, I think we did that yesterday. And what else? What else? Anything that you have seen in the kitchen or maybe in your classroom? The coasters, the cup coasters used for cups. So they are also in square shape. What else? Some square window, the calendar. We discussed about some biscuits also yesterday. Then cushion. Cushions are also square in shape. What else are square in shape? Gift box, the face of gift box, right? Okay, we eat that thing, and that is a bread. Bread is square in shape. Face of dice is square in shape. And if I talk about rectangle, yeah, windows are square in shape. What else? Chocolate that we eat, dairy milk, or maybe 5 star, they are rectangle in shape. Building is rectangle in shape. Photo frames, we can say, our TV, our notebook in which we write, the screen of our laptop, the rectangle in shape, right? A brick is also rectangle in shape. Envelope is rectangle in shape. So these are the shapes that we see in our day-to-day life, isn't it? So here you will, like, whenever you will go out or whatever you will do, if you keep shapes in your mind, you will see multiple things related to these shapes. Hanger on which you hang your clothes, that is also triangle in shape. Triangle, I'm talking about triangle now. Pizza, slice of pizza. Ice cream cone, triangle in shape. Then slice of your watermelon, triangle in shape. How many of you have eaten waffle? Waffle, can we can say that that is also triangle in shape. So yeah, children, these are some shapes that are that we see in our day-to-day life. And yes, that's all for our today's class. I'll see you again soon, and then we will discuss more things. By the time, take care and have a lovely day. Bye bye.